How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your monitor Gigabyte M27Q. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, change your refresh rate. Now, when simply increasing your monitor refresh rate, it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to right click on your desktop, and basically from here, you just want to navigate through the display settings. Now, inside this page, once again, just scroll down and you want to look for the advanced display option. We have the display information and refresh rate. You could just choose the maximum refresh rate possible. Basically, the higher, the better it is for your monitor and for your experience. From there, let's then navigate through the OSD settings, which is the on-screen settings. You want to click on the analog joystick right beside your monitor, and this window will show up. So you just want to apply the following setting. Once again, the refresh rate is going to be the maximum possible. The adaptive sync is going to be on. For picture mode, you want to set it to custom, and then just customize your colors the way you want to. For performance, you have your overdrive at picture quality, aim stabilizer at off, and the visibility is going to be between 10 to 12. This enables us to see enemies better in dark areas. For the display, you want to use somewhere between 50, generally avoiding those higher brightness to avoid eye strains. For contrast, 50, and you want to turn off HDR and Smart OD. So that's going to be the best settings for our Gigabyte M27Q. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.